Hello everyone, welcome to another how-to video. And the menu today will have peppered liver. So I'll be putting you guys through on how to make peppered liver. And if it sounds interesting to you, please continue watching and make sure you watch till the end, okay? Alright guys, let's begin. Here is our liver. We are making use of cow liver. So you go ahead and wash it with some salt and pat it dry. Just like this, guys. Use your kitchen towel to pat it dry. Afterwards, you go ahead and cut it up. We started by dividing it. That way, we'll be able to control it and not get things messy. Now, we are going to cut them into bite sizes. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious meals, baking, easy small chops and snacks, and even more. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit the subscription button so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to receive an alert each time I post new videos, okay? Thank you. So guys, at this point, we're done cutting. The next thing is to transfer into your pot. We'll start by steaming it. Now season with some salt and your seasoning. Next is a teaspoon of garlic powder and ginger powder. Now introduce your mixed herbs. A teaspoon of it is perfect. Afterwards, you go ahead and give it a nice stir. Okay, now you go ahead and cover it and allow it to steam for a minute or two. This is after a minute and we are checking. So guys, you go ahead and stir to combine everything. Try this recipe if you love liver or you've not tested peppered liver before. Now introduce some water. Afterwards, you cover it and allow to cook for extra 3 minutes. And here we are, guys, checking after 3 minutes. And at this point, our liver is well cooked, as you can see. Now you give it a nice stir. Look at how it is looking. Perfect. Now, the next thing to do is to take it off the heat and drain. As for the stock, you can store it or do with it whatever you wish because we're not going to be using it in this recipe. Let's move on, guys. In a pan, go in with your vegetable oil. It is time to fry our liver. So once the oil is heated, go in with the liver, okay? We are going to fry them a bit. Not too hard, just somewhere in the middle. We want the outer to look a bit, dry, but inside soft. Liver itself, after cooking, is hard. So you don't need to fry it for a long time where it becomes too hard and strong. What we are doing is just to fry it a bit, okay? All right, guys, if you noticed, we just turned the other side, making sure that every part of it is fried. This is after 2 minutes of frying. And at this point, guys, it is ready. We are not frying for too long, like I said earlier. So now you go ahead and scoop it off the oil. Let me seize this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all the love, the massive support. I really appreciate. I can't thank you guys enough. Please keep it up, okay? Alright guys, please go ahead and reduce the oil. Make sure you save it. Now, this is our blended pepper mix. Consists of long pointed peppers, onions, ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet, and cayenne pepper. Pour it in and stir. Remember, we're making peppered liver. Please feel free to reduce your peppers if you do not want it that spicy, okay? Alright guys, this is us checking after 2 minutes of frying. Now go in with some salt and seasoning. You do not need to add more spices. The salt and the seasoning is just fine. And remember, our liver is well seasoned, okay? So do not over season it. All right, guys, this is us after frying for extra 1 minute. Now, transfer the fried liver into the pepper sauce and stir everything to well combine. Oh my, guys, this is looking yummy. It is looking good. We are not done yet, but it is looking good, guys. We are almost though. So now garnish it up with some diced onions and give it a nice stir. And to you that have watched to this extent and you've not liked this video, please, I beg you, hit that like button so that others can see my videos, okay? And if you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Both are free. Thank you. So guys, at this point, we are done. Look at how sumptuous, yummy it is looking, guys. And I tell you, it's going to taste super good. Just continue watching till the end because we're going to be testing it together. And there you have it, guys. Our tasty peppered liver is set. Please try it out and let me know how it turns out for you in the comments. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Now, it is time to plate our meal. So you get your plate and plate with me, guys. Oh my. This is our peppered liver. If you've not tested peppered liver before, this recipe is for you. It is super easy and with just few ingredients. Oh my, tell me you are not salivating where you are right now. Just tell me. Now, you lastly sprinkle some leafy greens. It could be your parsley or your spinach, okay? And enjoy. I will be enjoying it with some chilled drink. Feel free to enjoy it with anything you wish, okay? Oh my, look at how it is looking. Delicious, guys. Now, let's test it. It tasted super good. Please give it a go. Until next time, bye-bye.